Completely renovated 5-bedroom/4-bath home situated within the highly sought-after Morningview Subdivision. This open floor plan has left no detail untouched. The stunning home leads you into 2-story family room and is across from the true chef's kitchen featuring custom cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless appliances and a lot more. The kitchen overlooks the living room with a beautiful modern fireplace. This beautiful renovation is complete with new flooring and fresh paint throughout. Second floor details include an oversized owner's suite, large bathroom with a double vanity, separate soaking tub, separate shower with organized walk-in closet, a laundry room and 3 additional bedrooms. A finished basement provides even more entertainment and storage space. You will find a billiards and/or media room, workout area, and full bath, second laundry room, or make it the perfect in-law suite, whatever suits your family. Extended cowered deck overlooks the largest private backyard in the neighborhood. Active/swim tennis community, junior Olympic-size swimming pool, kids pool, adult pool, 6 tennis courts with tennis pavilion and pickleball courts. Conveniently located close to I-85, Mall of GA, restaurants, and parks.